With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, here the question is, write the nature of the final image in. So here in the question we have given some types of microscopes and telescopes. We have to tell the types of or nature of the image, final image, which are formed with the help of these optical instruments. So the first one is simple microscope. So microscopes are used to observe very small objects like bacteria, viruses, or microorganisms, and telescopes are used to observe very distant objects like astronomical objects. So for simple microscope, the image which is formed, so we are observing here very small object and we cannot see that object with naked eyes. That's why we are using simple microscope. So here the image should be obviously magnified. That is the main reason we are using this microscope. So the image which is formed, it is virtual, magnified, and inverted. So this is the nature of the image for simple microscope. So now for compound microscope, it is also used to observe small organisms. So microscope, with the help of compound microscope, we are getting real but magnified image of the object we are observing. Now there are two different types of telescopes here. First one is astronomical telescope. So with the help of this astronomical telescope, we are observing very distant objects which are looking very small to us from Earth. Now when we observe it with the help of astronomical telescope, the image of that object is virtual, magnified, and inverted. So we can see that object more clearly. And the last one is Galilean telescope. So for this Galilean telescope, the object for this one also the object is very distant, and here the image formed is erect and magnified. So these are the nature of the images formed by these four optical instruments. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.